Very good morning, students. Today, the topic which we are going to revise is important questions of topic cell division, ICSE Biology Standard 10th. Now, right now, you people are looking for the date sheet of ICSE 2021, and this is the right time for the revision. So, from today onwards, we are going to revise important questions for ICSE Biology 2021. So, the first question is in the given diagram, it shows a stage during the mitotic division in animal cell. Identify the stage, given a reason to support your answer. See, how you can identify the stage? This stage is prophase because in this stage you can notice that nuclear membrane is disappearing. So your answer is prophase, and the reason for this answer is nuclear membrane is disappearing. Okay. Draw a neat and labeled diagram of the cell. It would appear in the next stage. After prophase, the next stage would be metaphase. So we have to draw the diagram of metaphase. While drawing the diagram of metaphase, we have to look that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 chromosomes. So we have to draw 5 chromosomes in metaphase stage. So let's draw the diagram of metaphase stage. Cell membrane, draw 5 chromosome, and metaphase is the stage where the best study of chromosome can be done. Then draw centriole, then draw esterase, and then draw spindle fiber. Here two labelings are required. This is chromosome. So यदि हमको chromosome का best study करना है, metaphase is the right stage. And then you can label spindle fiber. You can label centriole, and you can label esterase also. The next question is, in what two ways the mitotic division in animal cell different from the mitotic division in plant cell? So what is the difference between the mitotic division in plant cell and animal cell? तो यदि हम plant cell and animal cell में comparison करते हैं, see, it is a plant cell, it is an animal cell. In case of plant cell, there is no esterase. Plant cell में esterase नहीं होती है. क्यों नहीं होती है? Because there is no centriole. यहाँ लिखेंगे esterase present. The second difference in their division of cytoplasm. In plant cell, there is centrifugal kind of cytokinesis or cytoplasm division, while in animal cell there is centripetal kind of centripetal cytokinesis takes place. ये बहुत आसान है, इसको याद रखना. प्लांट सेल में मेरा अपना लॉजिक जो है, प्लांट सेल में पी ऑलरेडी है, सेंट्रीपिटल में पी है, तो हम प्लांट सेल में सेंट्रीपिटल नहीं रहते. प्लांट सेल में सेंट्रीफ्यूगल काइंड है और एनिमल सेल में सेंट्रीपिटल काइंड ऑफ साइटोकाइनेसिस होता है. दिस इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, in what ways this we have done. Name the type of cell division that occurs during. Someone asked that how the question would be on meiosis and haploid and diploid. Please note here, the type of cell division occurs in growth of shoot is mitosis because it is a diploid cell. Okay. Formation of pollen grains, it is a meiosis division because it is a haploid cell. नाउ यहाँ पर एक बार समझिए कि डिप्लॉइड सेल क्या है और हैप्लॉइड सेल क्या है. डिप्लॉइड सेल इज अ सेल इन विच टू सेट ऑफ क्रोमोसोम इज देयर. सॉरी, haploid cell is the cell in which single set of chromosome is there. So in this there could be two questions. What is the nature of cell of shoot? It is diploid. What kind of cell division occurs in shoot? Mitosis. Formation of pollen grains is a meiosis cell division and pollen grains are haploid. ओके, तो इस तरीके से बेसिकली क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछा जा सकता है. अब यहाँ पर बच्चे क्या गलती करते हैं, आइडेंटिफाई तो स्टेज लिख दिया बट यू विल नॉट राइट डाउन द आंसर फॉर रीजन. इन दैट केस यू विल नॉट मार्क फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. क्योंकि आपने कंप्लीट क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं दिया है। नाउ आइडेंटिफाई द स्टेज गिविंग suitable reason. This stage is telophase. Now give the suitable reasons. आपको उसका रीजन देना है. What you can notice here, nuclear membrane is reappearing and nucleolus is reappearing. So nuclear membrane is reappearing and nucleolus is reappearing. That's why it is a telophase. Name the parts numbered 1 and 2. Part number 1 and 2 क्या है देखिए. Part number 1 is chromatin material or you may write chromosome. Part number 2 is chromosome. इसको फिर से देखते, सॉरी, न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन. Part 2 is nuclear membrane and part 1 is chromosome or chromatin material, you may write. What is the technical term for the division of nucleus? The division of nucleus is known as karyokinesis. Mention the stage that comes before the stage shown in the diagram. Before the stage is anaphase. Now the another question is draw the diagram of anaphase. So how you can draw the diagram of anaphase? देखिए, at anaphase chromatids are on opposite pole. तो यहाँ पर आप एक बार नोटिस कर लीजिए, there are 4 chromosomes or 4 chromatids. So you will draw 4 chromatids. Actually telophase में chromatids converts into chromatin material. So this is the anaphase stage. Again you have to label here. Now यहाँ पर लेबलिंग करने से पहले आपको ध्यान रखना है कि आप क्या लेबल कर रहे हो. This chromatids, यहाँ आप क्रोमोसोम लेबल नहीं कर सकते हैं. And then another one, you can label spindle fiber, you can label centriole, you can label ester race, anything else. The diagram represents a stage in the cell division. Identify the stage of cell division. This is an anaphase. Name the parts labeled A, B, C, D. Part A is spindle fiber. Part B is cell wall. Part C is chromatids. Part D is centromere. Part D को ध्यान से नोटिस करिए, it is centromere. Okay. Now, where does this type of cell division usually occur? It is mitosis, and mitosis occurs in somatic cell. What is somatic cell? Somatic cell are the general body cells. So in case of plants, root, stem, they have somatic cell. Is this dividing cell shown as a plant cell or animal cell? पहले तो आप इसका आंसर लिखिए. It is a plant cell. Then the question is, give a reason to support your answer. Why it is a plant cell? आप इसमें सिर्फ वही रीजन देंगे जो आपको विजिबल है. आप इसमें प्लांट सेल, इट इज अ प्लांट सेल बिकॉज देयर इज अ क्लोरोप्लास्ट, ये नहीं होगा बिकॉज आपको यहाँ पे क्लोरोप्लास्ट विजिबल नहीं है. तो आप इसके आंसर में सिर्फ 2 रीजन देंगे. नंबर 1 इज बिकॉज दिस सेल हैज सेल वॉल, सो प्रेजेंस ऑफ सेल वॉल मेंशन करेंगे, एंड एब्सेंस ऑफ सेंट्रियोल और एस्टर रेज. एब्सेंस ऑफ सेंट्रियोल और एस्टर रेज, सिवाय इसके इन 2 के आपको योर रीजन नहीं देंगे. क्लियर? नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज आइडेंटिफाई द स्टेज ऑफ मियोसिस एंड लेबल द पार्ट 1 to 5. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, मियोसिस इज नॉट द पार्ट ऑफ योर सिलेबस. मियोसिस में सिर्फ 2 क्वेश्चंस बनते हैं. वन इज व्हाट इज मियोसिस, व्हाई इट इज रिडक्शनल सेल डिवीजन, एंड व्हाट आर द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ मियोसिस. हाँ, क्रॉसिंग ओवर इज ऑल्सो अ पार्ट इन सिलेबस, बट मियोसिस के स्टेजेस नहीं है. एनीवे, identify the stages of meiosis and label the part 1 to 5. Again, it is an anaphase stage. यहाँ कई बच्चों को कंफ्यूजन होता है कि यहाँ पे ये कंस्ट्रक्शन शुरू हो चुका है, तो क्या ये टेलोफेस है? नो, इट इज नॉट टेलोफेस. टेलोफेस जब भी आपको दिखाएंगे वहां पर रीअपियरिंग न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन विजिबल होगा. इट इज एनाफेस. नाउ लेबल द पार्ट 1 2. पार्ट 1 इज सेंट्रियोल, Part 2 is esterase. Part 3 is spindle fiber. Part 4 is chromatids. Part 5 is centromere. I hope it is clear. Now, there could be one more question. Is it a plant cell or an animal cell? It is an animal cell because centriole is present, esterase is present. Or you may write, there is no cell wall. Now, the given figure represents a certain phenomenon that occurred during meiosis. Again, this question is important. What is name the phenomenon? This phenomenon is crossing over. Now, crossing over का definition बहुत important है. Define that phenomenon. Crossing over is the exchange of characteristics between two non-sister chromatids. Between two non-sister chromatids, ये नहीं लिखा तो नंबर नहीं मिलेंगे. Non-sister chromatids of two homologous chromosome or two homologous chromosome. Okay, and each word is important. नॉन सिस्टर क्रोमैटिड्स क्या है? ये और ये दो नॉन सिस्टर क्रोमैटिड्स हैं. देखिए इनके बीच में ये एक्सचेंज ऑफ कैरेक्टर होता है. दिस पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड कियास्मा. State the difference between chromosome and chromatids. Again, this question is very important. Chromosome is the genetic material present in nucleus, consists of two sister chromatids, and chromatid is the individual thread of duplicated chromosome. Okay, I will give the definition of chromosome and chromatids in description box, don't worry. Now there is a diagram of double helical structure of DNA. Name the 4 nitrogen base that form a DNA molecule. 4 nitrogen bases are purine and pyrimidine are their type. So there 4 are thymine, adenine, cytosine and guanine. The another question is, give the full form of DNA. Deoxyribonucleic acid. Name the unit of heredity, that is gene. Mention 2 points of difference between mitosis and meiosis. Again, this question is important. Mitosis is equational cell division. Meiosis is reductional cell division. In mitosis, number of chromosomes remains same. In meiosis, number of chromosomes reduced to half. In mitosis, 2 daughter cells are produced. In meiosis, 4 daughter cells are produced. Now the diagram given represent a certain stages of mitosis. This question actually we have discussed. Let's see again. Identify the stage of cell division. It is anaphase. Label the parts A and B. Part A is spindle fiber. Part B is centromere. What is the unique feature observed in this stage? In this stage, chromatids are arranged on pole. This is a unique feature, which is the identification of this stage. How many daughter cells are formed from this type of cell division? It is mitosis. So there will be 2 daughter cells. Is it a plant cell or an animal cell? It is an animal cell. Sorry, it is a plant cell. Give a reason to support of your answer. The reason is cell wall is present and absence of centriole. Identify the stage. This stage is prophase. Name the stage that follow the one shown here. जो इसको follow करती है, that is metaphase. How is that stage is identified? Metaphase means middle. So in metaphase, all the chromosomes are arranged on equator. How will you differentiate between mitosis and meiosis on the basis of chromosome number in the daughter cell? In mitosis, number of chromosome in daughter cell remain same. In meiosis, number of chromosome reduced to half. Next question is, draw a duplicated chromosome and label its parts. So let's draw here. How you can draw the duplicated chromosome? This is a duplicated chromosome. This is DNA. And what labeling are required? Marked DNA. This is chromatid or sister chromatid, you can say. And this is centromere. और आप करना चाहते हैं तो you can do this also, telomere. Telomere means end. Okay. Draw neat label diagram to show the metaphase stage of mitosis in animal cell having 4 chromosomes. Now look here, you have to draw the metaphase stage, you have to draw the animal cell, you have to draw the 4 chromosome. Okay, so let's draw this diagram. First you are supposed to draw the animal cell, so it should be spherical in shape. Then there was a condition metaphase, so they must be on the equator. And there was a condition, there are 4 chromosomes, so you cannot draw more than 4 chromosomes. Then draw centriole, then draw ester rays. Ester rays is star-like structure present around the centriole. It fixes the position of centriole. The centriole क्या करेगा, चला जाएगा घूमने फिरने के लिए, तो हमने उसको घूमने फिरने नहीं जाने देना है. स्पिंडल फाइबर, देखिए आप, एक एंड पर ये सेंट्रोमियर से अटैच्ड है एंड अनदर एंड दे आर अटैच्ड विद द centriole. Okay, now the part of labeling, label this as a chromosome. Then you can draw this one, spindle fiber. Then you can draw this one, centriole. ये यदि आप लेबल करते हैं तो सेंट्रोमियर. कोशिश करिए, यहाँ तो स्पेस कम है, आप सारी लेबलिंग एक तरफ करें. और you can label this also as a ester rays. How many daughter cells are formed at the end of mitosis? 2, and at the end of meiosis? 4. Explain the term chromatid. Chromatid is the single thread of chromosome. A duplicated chromosome is made up of chromatid. Okay. Haploid is the single set of chromosome. Haploid के जो होते हैं वो sex cells में होता है. Haploid genetic cell में होता है. Okay, when there is a single set of chromosome. एक बार कर देते हैं haploid का क्या बनेगा आपका definition, because someone has asked. Haploid is a cell having single set of chromosome, or a cell is having n number of chromosome. It is present in gametes. Gametes का मतलब हुआ sperm, ovum, pollen grains और sex cells. Name the type of cell division that occur during growth of shoot. Growth of shoot, ये diploid cells होता है यहाँ पर. तो यहाँ क्या होगा, यहाँ पर mitosis होगा. Formation of pollen grains. Pollen grains are haploid cells. Here is the single set of chromosome is present, so it is meiosis. Repair of worn out tissues. Worn out tissues are सोमैटिक सेल्स होते हैं, ये ग्रोथ के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल हैं. तो यहाँ क्या होता है, यहाँ पर हेप्लॉइड बनते हैं सेल्स, और यहाँ पर जो डिवीजन होगा वो होगा आपका मियोसिस. इसके अलावा देयर आर सम differences which are important, and those difference I will discuss in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Thank you.